This is our Halloween zoo. And look at the zebra inside there. Oh. Hi, zebra. Baby, what's that inside?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to RF Kids Fun. We have a giant pumpkin and making the exciting thing. Happy Halloween. You are guys there. We're cutting this pumpkin. A rectangle that don't go anywhere.
Wow. Look.
It's like a formy jam.
Look at that. See?
Let's pop it out.
You want to take the seeds out?
What?
You want to take these seeds out?
Yeah.
Okay, you can. These pumpkin seed, guys.
Yeah.
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 Wow.
What we're gonna make?
Look
I
at,
don't know.
see? Look at that.
Your hands are all dirty.
Look. What are these, baby? What are these?
Baby.
What are these, baby? Baby, what is this?
Seeds.
Seeds. See, this is how the pumpkin seeds look like. Yeah,
I know these.
Yeah, don't go anywhere, guys. The more exciting things are coming up. Wait.
Our pumpkin is clean.
Oops, look at the Sriza. Ruby, look what Sriza is doing. She's trying to. Oh my God, yes.
Halloween zoo. It has some animals. Look at our house. It has some animals.
Yeah, so what do you have on your Halloween zoo? Looks so exciting.
A lion.
Lion.
Cow. And a tiger.
And a tiger.
Dog.
And a dog.
Tiger. Tiger. Polar bear.
A polar bear. Okay. And I saw one thing inside the zoo.
A zebra.
Ooh,
A
yeah.
zebra looks like a tiger, but zebra looks different like a tiger.
Wow.
Tiger got stripes and zebra got stripes.
Oh, it does. But they do have a different, right?
And polar bear looks like zebra.
Oh, it does. Oh, they both are white, right? Yay, guys! This is our Halloween
We
zoo.
have an owl.
And look at the zebra inside there.
And
Oh,
look.
hi, zebra.
And
Baby, what's that inside?
zebra.
Zebra.
And a zebra is light.
Yeah.
The white, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. We have enough light, guys. Yay! You can
So
have
we can put the light inside.
you can have fun with the kids, guys, with your pumpkin. Yeah, this is kind of. I have seen this on online. Oopsie, Ruby. Ruby, look at the Ruby. Oopsie, Ruby. Yeah, I have seen this on online. You know, some of the people are doing the project work. So we saw, and then, you know, we thought, let's try it. And they kind of like it, you know, the carving the pumpkins. Yeah. And making these sticks, you know, making these sticks was fun to color it. And then they still learn the animals too. So,
We're going to keep it.
yeah.
We're going to keep it like it.
Oh, okay, they want to keep it like a zoo too. Thank you so much for watching our Kids One. We hope you like our exciting videos. And yes, excuse my voice. Thank you for watching. What do you want to say, Ruby?
Bye. I'm going to say you something.
Okay, Sriza want to say something, okay?
Bye, everybody. Bye. Click the thumbs up. Bye. Click the thumbs up. Bye.
Bye. Happy Halloween.